Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to do a little reset around my house. I can't wait to get through and get some things picked up. My recycling is coming this week, and I have so many boxes in my pantry and things I need to clear out. I need to take the items and put in clear plastic bins so I can easily see them. And I need to do some other things around to get things tidied up and cleaned up before the weekend. I'm also getting ready to take a trip out of town to go see my daughter in Arizona, which I love to do, and her little baby Mason, and I'm going to see my son-in-law. But I want to have all of these things cleaned up and tidied around my house so that when I get back, I won't have all of these things looking messy in the pantry, and I need to get the laundry done, the kitchen cleaned up and organized. I'm going to do a little decluttering along the way, and I'm so glad you're here for it. I just recently purchased new bathroom towels, so I'll be taking these towels to donate. As soon as I make a decision of what I'm going to be donating, I quickly and efficiently pack it away in a bag, and then I'll set it aside. And that way I don't second guess myself. It's packed and ready. Once it goes in a bag, it stays in a bag. I'm going through my bathrooms and I'm taking out any towels that I don't need. These towels are not super soft and are not the greatest quality. I'll donate these today as I just purchased a couple of new ones. This toaster still works but has seen better days. I'll be donating this one as I just purchased a new one, along with my food processor. When getting my pantry organized, I cannot stand having all these boxes. I have all of these granola bar boxes everywhere. I just recently stocked up on these. They were on a sale on a rollback from Walmart. So I picked up some because I know I'm going to be doing some traveling with my husband, and we could easily take these along with us. They're not messy, and they're a really great little snack to have for traveling. So I'm going to get the boxes all out of here in the recycling bin. I'm going to put these little granola bars all in this big container together so we can just grab out a few every time we're ready to hit the road. My husband takes these crackers in his lunch. I love to send some with him every day. And I have all of these boxes here. They're all over the shelf. When I look in the pantry, they look so messy, no matter how I line them up or organize them. So today I have an empty shelf in the top of one of my kitchen cabinets here. And I'm going to take all of these boxes, line them up in a row. And this way I can write the expiration date on the end of the box. And I can easily see them all lined up. I'll put them in order from when they expire to the ones that are going to be lasting the longest. And that way I can start pulling down the boxes when I do his lunch prep and pack his lunches. I can take the ones first that are going to expire, and then I won't have them all mixed up in there getting stale in the pantry. You may not realize it, but oils can go bad. They can get rancid, they can spoil, and well, if they've been open for a really long time and you're not using them, it might be a good idea just to let those go. Clean your bottles really well and refill your bottles with fresh oil. It only takes a couple of minutes to pull the things out shelf by shelf, wipe out your refrigerator, and just put the things back in. If you can, throw out the things that you've had in there for a while, the condiments or anything like that, that you know that have been open for a while. Just go ahead and toss those out. Or if there's just a little bit left, put them in a smaller container, perhaps a glass container, where you can see those things. And then that way you can line them up in there on the shelf, and you can easily take them out and use what's left and get rid of that big plastic or glass container. I also did a restock on my laundry detergent. I keep this in my laundry room cabinet. I didn't show it here, but I also did a real quick refill on my vitamins and my salt and peppers. Of course, when you're refreshing your home and doing a restock, it's a great idea to take a notepad and have it handy so you can write down anything that's old that you've thrown away, such as ketchup, mustard, salad dressings, or that you've used up and you usually have on hand and you need to replace them. Make a list, take a little inventory along the way. I'm so glad you're here. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.